May bagyo ba? Meron. As of 3 o'clock PM today, the center of the super typhoon Nando. So may bagyo nga, bagyong Nando. Obvious ba? Anyway, it is with a sad and heavy heart na tatakbo ako, pero kailangan ko nang gamitin tong bago akong sapatos sa ulan kasi yung luma akong sapatos wala na, sira na talaga. So kailangan ko gamitin tong bago akong sapatos sa ulan. Oh well, papel. Anyway, hindi naman bago sa akin tumakbo ng umuulan, pero iba kasi yung ulan ngayon, medyo malakas kasi nga bumabagyo. So yun lang, parang gusto ko lang i-make sure na hindi ganun kadelikado for me to run. Kahit mahirap yung visibility sa kalsada, dapat madali ako makita ng mga sasakyan. Tsaka syempre, tatry kong tumakbo sa mga lugar na wala masyadong sasakyan. Also, ito yung mga challenging na time sa buhay ko na kapag may goal ako, such as these days, yung goal ko is to run 100 kilometers each week, diba? Pero ganito, may bagyo. I mean, wala namang problema na umuulan kasi pag bagyo na siya, safety concern na kasi siya. Pero so far naman, this year, kahit umuulan, tumatakbo talaga ako. I just try to be safe about it. So today is September 20. Today is September 22. This is the first run for this week and I want to start the week right para ma-reach ko yung goal ko for this week, and not only for this week, for this month. So yun, I want to start off the week right. So I need to run today. Ang goal ko for today is 16 kilometers. If ever talagang masama yung condition sa labas habang tumatakbo ako, baka bawasan ko. Pero if hindi naman ganun kasama and I'm out there na, I might push it up to 21 kilometers. Pero let's see. Pero we'll never know if that will change, not unless we go out there and see how things are. So, let's go. Crazy. 3 kilometers in, it's just me out here. It's just me out here. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I had to stop sa stoplight kanina. Then, habang naghihintay ako dun sa stoplight, nakatayo ako dun. Alam mo yun, parang na-relax ako. Tapos, ang lakas ng hangin, ang lamig ng hangin, umaambon, umuulan. Bigla akong na-feel na parang ang sarap umuwi. Alam mo yun, ang sarap umuwi. Tapos higop ka ng mainit na sabaw, sopas, pares, tinola, diba? Tapos pag busog ka na, nood ka Netflix. Habang nanonood ka ng Netflix, higop ka ng mainit na Milo. Diyos ko. So yun, parang biglang nawala yung adrenaline ko, yung excitement ko sa ginagawa ko. Nawala yung novelty sa ginagawa ko. Parang ayoko nang tapusin. I am now a little bit over 7 kilometers in. And like I said, it's just me out here. It's just me out here training today. Wala pa akong nakitang ibang tao na tumatakbo today. Except ako lang. Baka sila humihigop na ng mainit na sabaw sa bahay nila. Baka sila umiinom na ng mainit na Milo, nanonood ng Netflix. Nakakainggit sa totoo lang. Ayoko nang tapusin ang ginagawa ko. I know ang goal ko kanina is 16 kilometers. Wala pa ako sa kalahati kasi kakalagpas ko lang ng 7 kilometers. So ang hirap. Sabi ko pa kanina, ang goal ko ay 16 kilometers. Kapag kaya ko pang i-push, try ko mag 21. Yan o. So bumubuhos na naman yung tubig. Bumubuhos na naman yung ulan. Tapos mahangin, malamig. Ikaw lang mag-isa dito. Kukwestiyonin mo rin talaga, ba't ikaw lang mag-isa dito eh? Ba't nga ba andito ako? Ay. Pero let's keep going. I am so tempted na umuwi na lang, pero let's try to push ourselves. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Yun lang yung focus ko for now. I'll just keep on going. I'll see you guys again later. So, a little over 9 kilometers in. 9 kilometers deep into this run. And I've been thinking about what I've been thinking about kanina. So, I asked myself, why am I even here in the first place? Anong purpose? Bakit ba ako dito tumatakbo? And I reminded myself why I do this, and it's to build strength of character. I don't want to be a person that's emotionally, spiritually, mentally, and physically weak. And so I believe that if ever I do become the person that I aim to be, that person won't be average. That person that I want to be isn't mediocre. And so that's why I'm still here. And it doesn't matter how I feel right now. It doesn't matter that this sucks right now. All of this is temporary. The person that I'm trying to be isn't temporary. But this feeling that I have right now, it's temporary. So, priorities. It doesn't matter that everything sucks right now. I just have to get through it. I know that by the end of this, it might not feel like it, pero I am, and I will be stronger holistically. Man, this is crazy. This is crazy. I am so deep into my own thoughts right now. And I am fighting thoughts of quitting, stopping, And it shouldn't even be hard, you know. I just have to tell myself, tapusin mo lang yung inumpisahan mo. Yun lang naman kailangan mong gawin eh. It shouldn't even be that hard. I'm already more than halfway in. Pero, if I'm being honest, it's very, very difficult for me to convince myself to keep on going right now. This sucks. I am not comfortable right now. I am cold. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I want to quit. But I shouldn't. They say that when the going gets tough, the tough get on going. So I guess I have to prove myself that I'm a tough guy, you know. I have to get on going, keep on going. Can't just be walking around here talking to myself in front of a camera. This is stupid. I have to keep on keeping on. It's tough right now. I have to get going. "11 kilometers in, 12 kilometers in, 13 kilometers in, 14 kilometers in, 15 kilometers in." Crazy run today. Insane. Grabe, sobrang hirap nung takbo ko today. I don't know why. I think I know why. I have an idea. Siguro it's probably because I have been running 100 kilometers a week for 4 weeks now. So, yeah. So, I ran 22 freaking kilometers. Crazy. I wanted to do 16, pero at the 7th kilometer mark, I wanted to quit. Gusto ko nang umuwi, gusto ko nang uminom ng Milo. Pero I pushed. Tinapos ko yung 16. Pagdating ng 16, I had to be honest with myself. Pagod ka na ba? Hindi na ba kaya ng katawan mo? Or gusto mo lang umuwi kasi hindi ka komportable ngayon? So, ang sagot ko sa sarili ko is, ayoko lang yung nararamdaman ko ngayon, kaya gusto kong umuwi. So yun, pinush ko yung sarili ko to go for more. I wanted to do 21 kilometers. Kaso pagdating ko ng bahay, 22 kilometers lumabas sa Strava. So there you go. Above and beyond what we set out to do. Crazy. Anyway, so this is the 4th week of running 100 kilometers each week. So, I did 22 kilometers today, which means I have 78 kilometers to do for the rest of the week. And honestly, I don't know if this is taking its toll on me, kaya ganun yung nangyari sa akin kanina. But it's okay. Like I said, when the going gets tough, the tough get on going. So, if I'm tough and I want to be tough, I have to get on going when the going gets tough. I probably could have phrased that better, pero hey, I'm 22 kilometers in today, okay? Give me a break. That today's run was tough. Probably the toughest run of the year so far. And that's me being brutally honest. And it wasn't even because I was tired. It wasn't even because I wasn't feeling good. It was just, I just didn't want to be out there today. But hey, 22 freaking kilometers. Crazy. But yeah, praise be unto the Most High, baby. Praise be unto the Most High. Uncle Tito, son. Uncle Tito. Rubber side down.